What you doing, lady?
Look at the size of this Disney Doorable multi-peak.
Yes, so this
huge.
is the, only from Target, this is the ultimate mega peak from the Pixel Perfect series. This is series 12, Pixel Perfect. There are 15 exclusive figures. You can see them all here. And then there's also 15 hidden figures. So Mom, are you ready to get it opened up?
I am ready.
All right,
I am ready.
Tally ho. Look at all the doors.
So many doors and so little time.
Yep.
Let's get opening.
Yes, let's go. All right, Mama, what you got there?
So many to yeet. Yeet.
Okay, pick one and start guessing. Why are you dying?
Because we have 11d6 of doorknob.
This is doorknob?
Yes. As I
She figured out it was doorknob within like 5 seconds.
I'm just laughing because he's a big square block. He is very cute.
Yes, we have
a
like
lot.
11 of him.
11d6.
So on to the next one. Tally ho. Who do you think it is, Mama?
I'm gonna guess Barley Lightfoot, but let's. Oh God, I'm way off.
Who is it?
Way. Look.
Oh, look, it's Belle. Is she new to us? She is not. That is a dupe.
That is Belle, and she is ready for the holidays.
Yes. So on to your next one, Mama. All right, Mama, who do you think it
I'm
is?
feeling a baseball cap. I'm guessing Wilden Lightfoot.
Are you right?
And
Yes, and we
I
have
believe we have
multiple.
him.
No, we do. We have multiple of him.
Okay, there we
Yeah.
go.
On to the next one, Mama.
So these are all doopies here.
Yes. So get your
Next
next
one.
one. All right, Mama, who is it?
I'm gonna guess Bonnie from Toy Story.
If it's Bonnie, she's new.
But it is not. Wait. Oh, this is the mother from. This is Alma Madrigal. I don't think we have her.
I'm checking.
Alma Madrigal.
We do not. She's a
I didn't
rare,
think
and
so.
she's new to us. So
Yes.
yay. On to
Yay.
the next one. Who is it, Mama?
This is Walrus Morsa.
Mom, that's just Spanish.
Walrus. Oh. Yes, it is Walrus, and I do
Yes.
believe we have all.
We do have him already. So put him with the dupes. So far, out of 5 that we've opened, only 1 is brand new. So
Luckily, we have all of the limited editions.
yes, which I will now show you because I have them all lined up, all of our exclusive ones to this set. So Mama's gonna keep guessing. Tally ho. All right, Mama, who is it?
I'm guessing Esmeralda, and I am correct.
And she is also a dupe, but she
Yes.
is a rare.
Yes.
And no matter what, I love Esmeralda.
Yes.
So, you ready to start guessing your next one, Mom?
Yes.
All
I
right.
think this is a
Tally ho.
pixelated one.
All right, Mom, who do you think it is?
I'm guessing that this is pixelated, Minnie.
You're
hoping.
right, this is new.
Whoops. And it is.
Yay! She's new to us.
Got a
Perfect.
new one.
All right, Mom, ready
And
to...
She is a special edition.
Yes, she is. Ready to guess the next one?
I am.
Who is it, Mama?
I'm hoping it's Wheezy.
If it's
It
Wheezy?
is not Wheezy.
Aw, Mom, you got my hopes
No,
up.
I
Who
am
is
so
it?
Sorry, it is Phoebus.
Oh, Phoebus we do have already, I believe. Yes, we do. So he is another dupe. So on to the next one. All right, Mama, who do you think it
I'm
is?
gonna guess pixelated poo. Am I correct? I am correct, and I believe we already have pixelated poo, but I love his little eyes.
Yes, I believe we do. So we'll put him right there. On to the next one. Who do you think it is, Mama?
I have no clue.
All right, let's
so we'll
open
hope
it up.
it's one we don't have.
Yeah, let's open it up and find out.
Oh, this is, oh, wait a minute. This is,
Oh,
Princess-
Namari.
yes.
We don't have Namari yet, so she is new to us.
There we go.
Yay!
What show is Namari from?
From Ray and the Last Dragon.
Okay, that's right.
Okay, on to the next one. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I am torn on this one, and
Okay.
yeah, so
Who is it? Who is it?
I was kind of hoping it would be this one, and it was because I kept feeling 2 arms.
And who is it?
So you were going to be very excited, and
Uh-huh.
I'm very excited because it is an ultra rare, and I love Wheezy. I love
Yay!
Wheezy.
I love Wheezy. He's new, so I'm gonna check him off while Mom goes on to the next
I
one.
love him.
Who do you think,
I
Mom?
am going to guess, and I'm hoping it's Bonnie.
Okay, good. If it is Bonnie, we don't have her yet. Is it Bonnie? It's Bonnie, and she is so cute.
Look at her.
Oh my goodness, look
She
at our
is
little
so
Miss
cute.
Bonnie. Ugh, and I believe actually now that means Toy Story is done.
Yay!
So woohoo! On to the next one, Mama.
Yep.
All right, Mom, who do you think it
I'm
is?
gonna guess one of the Lightfoots, but I'm thinking, if any, it might be Laurel.
Okay, which we do have Laurel already. If it's not Laurel and it's Barley, I'll be happy.
It is
Jasmine, wait. Oh, we
She's
do
a-
already have her. She is a rare,
rare,
but we do already
she
have
is
her.
Pretty.
So Mom has 2 more left for this collection, so tally ho. Who are you hoping for, Mama?
I'm hoping it's Quasimodo because we don't have him, but I'm just not
She has
sure.
no idea. Who is
It
it?
is definitely not. It is. Oh wait, don't,
Wait, we don't have him.
we
It's
have
a-
Augustine Madrigal. Okay.
Yay! So he is one of the ones that we were missing from the
Augustine
comments.
Madrigal.
Yes.
Do we have all of the family now?
No, we're just missing Bruno because we don't talk about him.
Oh, yeah. we
So
don't talk
maybe
about
we'll
him.
get him in the last bag.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's see. All right, Mom, who is it?
Ian Lightfoot, I believe. Yep,
Okay, and we've got a bunch of him too.
we do.
So that's okay though, but let's show all of the new ones that we picked up. So we pick up Augustine Lightfoot, Bonnie, Alma, a pixelated Minnie Mouse, Wheezy, and we have all of our exclusive characters here.
Exclusives are.
I don't have them in the right order on there, Mom, so I'm not
Okay.
hunting and pecking, but here's all of the exclusives for everyone to see.
Basil, Blazy, Chuckles the Clown, Fidget,
Mufasa.
Laverne, Lilo, Cinderella special one, Myrtle Edmonds, Olivia, Rafiki, Snow White, the King from Snow White.
Tong and Victor.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice collection.
So yes, that is everybody we got. Anything to say to anybody, Mom, before you sign off for
this
today?
is a very fun collection. I remember.
Yes.
I recommend it only at Target.
It's at Target, and if you are looking for something for a Christmas present for someone, we completely recommend this
Yeah,
because there are,
a lot.
even if you are a collector, there's so many characters that you will get that are new.
Right.
So it makes the dupe scene less unfortunate.
Yes.
All right, Mama, anything else to say before we end?
Share the dupes with a friend or some young child
Yes.
who won't care.
Doobity doo.
Doobity doo.
All right, bye everyone.